Start your engine!
All the dogs, low creep, right behind me in the phantom. Yeah. Never go, dip on the set, stay Santana. Yeah, run it back, turn the lights on when I hit up Green Lantern. Yeah, fly the bras for the dogs down to Atlanta. Yeah, in the cut in Medusa, lay low, yeah I might be. Yeah, roll up, help me calm down when I'm moving high speed. Yeah, if I send one, need to text back, cause you know what I need. Oh please, oh me, oh my. We've been moving for some time. Alright. Flexing, tryna exercise.
Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. Let's ride. London Lamborghini, roll up in a blue bikini. Bitches on the beaches looking super cute and freaky. All my friends are princesses, we keep it booked and creamy. Ice cubes on our tongues because we like to keep it freezy. Love a big Ferrari, yeah I'm so say. Sleeping like a Lindsay just to crush your party. People are going loco when I'm pulling up to your puppy. Don't think about consequences cause they're never gonna stop me. What?
Pink like Suki in my brand new Suzuki. Windows tinted, rims spinning with the Hello Kitty stickies. If you see me, I'm assuming that you see me in my review. You can call me, but I promise that there's no way I'ma hear you.
You go with the speed of the pace, like the BA straight down the staircase. Splits all the way, bringing knees to your face. Splits all the way, bringing knees to your face. You go with the speed of the pace, like the move straight down the staircase. You're never safe in the peas on the taste, so you know it's gonna be bloody when it's me in the race. Put the motherfucking money in my motherfucking
motherfucking hands. I'm in Gucci in a bonnet, spinning motherfucking bands. I got haters, I got stands in the stands. Do they love her or they hate her? Either way, they spinning bands. I can really give a damn, I can really give a fuck. Long as you bitches know what's up. It's Dochi, bitch, Miss D.O.E. Don Dada, bitch, you notice me. They like Dochi, you the Lulu, you a loose screw. She really giving cunt in a pussy voodoo. She swapped the old nigga for a bitch ain't new. She munching on the vibes while she watching Hulu. Wake up and come get your teeth.
Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley. My dreams are never empty.
Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley. I'm screaming I'm fresh, I'm fly, I'm so damn high. More than 500 horses when I roll by. I'm calm, I'm cool, everything brand new. I don't handcuff, you can get the whole damn crew. Get in my Beamer Benz a Bentley, Beamer Benz a Bentley. Eat it, I bet she let me. She been fiending since she met me. I'm the coolest shit, especially when I throw on all my Gretzky. Got my sister Smith on Bussy to protect me, so respect me. This is heavy, new Bentley, color vanilla and cherry. Andretti and Pirelli, make a movie at the Getty. With my ring and my confetti, I'm Kobe Bryant Betty. Pimples ain't chronic smelly while I'm stumbling out the telly. I'm so fly, I'm so fairy, and the way I flow is very into a machete. When my pencil move is deadly. Platinum band, platinum bezzy, make a street girl out of Leslie. Magazine, Mac, Desi, keep my windows like the Prezi. Press a
Holy shit.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you're tryna make your ass fall off. And if they gon' wanna smash them all now, speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E, gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, let them hoes say amen. I'm just tryna make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, man. Room full of boppers, tell them give me topper. Beat it up, 911, hit the coppers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545, large me in your throat. West side, baby, do what you do. And you got tell what that shit do. It's pretty nigga mob, it's the way that I go. I be stepping up in the club, they make it drop to my show. Her do man, cause I spoil, but I don't give a fork. Silverware, nigga, out to be acting a poor sport. Use that door, grab a girl and get a yank. Gang, got a booty like Coops, I'm tryna make it wow.
This is the Discover Card Countdown to 3 as we get ready to go race.